Ripple has won a significant milestone following the judge's ruling, compelling the SEC to provide certain documents which would tie previous statements from the commission's former director regarding Ethereum's status to the case. In addition, the judge's latest ruling could help Ripple make the case that XRP is not a security. This win, in terms of critical procedure victory in the fintech company's battle with the Securities and Exchange Commission, on Thursday, as a federal judge ruled that the agency cannot claim that emails concerning a landmark statement from June 2018 about Ethereum are privileged documents. Termed the cryptocurrency trial of the century, it's no doubt that the legal challenges entailed by this lawsuit are never easy to predict. However, the entire cryptocurrency market is poised to garner some profound benefits should the judge's final verdict lean towards a more favorable result for the blockchain startup. And as Ripple draws closer to finding closure in the suit, all eyes are stringently pegged on the price of XRP as analysts continue to put forth assumptions that XRP would be hitting some significant highs in no time. Thanks for watching Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a crypto Discord group where we give out calls for our favorite altcoins, and you can also win special rewards for inviting your friends to the group. Links for that are in the description, and we'll be right back after this.
GSX is an unprecedented financial asset that combines the best elements of a traditional investment with the backing of a stablecoin and the use cases of many of the largest decentralized currencies like XRP.
Ripple has gained access to the SEC's email correspondence between the Commission and the former top SEC official William Hinman regarding his previous statement from back in 2018. While he was addressing an audience at a Yahoo Finance Crypto Summit, William Hinman had affirmed with all certainty that Ethereum was not a security because it was sufficiently decentralized. Yet, in the SEC's filing against the Ripple company, the US financial regulators have asserted that XRP, which operates in the same way as Ethereum, was security. Hence, it claims that Ripple sold illegal assets since it didn't register them as security before selling them to investors. According to predictions from analysts with the leading source of reliable news and real-time trading analysis, FX Street, after evaluating XRP's price movements, the altcoin looks ready to bounce up to 96 cents. In the words of one particular crypto proponent and expert analyst, Credible Crypto, following his Twitter post on Friday, January 16th, he affirms that while Bitcoin recently swept our wick lows at 42,000 and Ethereum dumped even further below its own, XRP has held up incredibly well through this correction and has not gotten close to its wick lows. The path of least resistance seems to be up. All eyes may be on XRP soon. XRP is ready to skyrocket to price ranges between 90 to 96 cents in just a blink of an eye. Ripple Labs and XRP have been struggling for a fair decision for a long time, but the wait will finally be over in no time. Right now, XRP shows a harmonic pattern. It doesn't seem to have a pretty strong positive expectancy rate when it does show up. And judging from the closure drawn from this pattern, we could say that it's an appropriate enough cipher pattern, which hints of a very likelihood of a bottom closing in. The same goes for the optics bands hitting their extreme oversold conditions. We've got regular bullish divergence between the price action in the composite and the composite index. Similarly, we have the relative strength index looking to be flattened out above the first oversold level and the bear market at 30. In the short term, XRP is expected to enter some relief rally, most likely because of the news in this lawsuit. XRP investors have many reasons to be looking at it bullishly. Looking at the price chart for XRP, on the 1 cent 3-box reversal zone, we can see some pretty wicked-looking bear trap where we have this descending triple bottom which failed to extend. And instead, it was reversed back to a point where that entry was at 75 cents. So essentially, the 75 cents area is still a valid entry point despite it showing up here on the point figure chart that's stated beyond that. As we can see, the proper entry at 75 cents stops at 71 cents with an upside target of 96 cents. That's using the horizontal profit target approach. Right at the spot, XRP got a failed breakdown below a ascending triple bottom, which is a failed bearish catapult setup. So this is a pretty nasty looking bullish reversal setup that could be developing here. And 96 basically could say $1. That's just the literal target using the horizontal method is that 96. I don't see a ton of downside potential here other than if it fails to break above the kitchens and this week. We'll probably see that 50 cents range pop up. That's the next primary support zone here. But I don't see that playing. I see at least a relief rally here showing up soon. So it's tough for me to remain bullish on Ripple after seeing this 50-day moving average crossing below the 200 moving average on a daily time frame. So I see a relief rally coming right down this lane for XRP. Contrary to popular belief, we could potentially be seeing XRP cross the 80 cents margin before the end of the week. If my guess is correct, probably 0.86. And then on a highly bullish case, I see it going up 2.9 to probably 9.4, but anything beyond that, I don't see it happening. Although there's a ton of liquidity present here. All the double bottom, the double top to the form here. It was formed here, but I don't see it going beyond. Even if it does, the uptrend will. Though the crypto market appears to be a little volatile, just like I always say, guys, this is nothing to bother about. XRP seems to be leaning towards previously retested zones, such as this level here. The prices dip into this liquidity zone below 0.518 fib. There was a double bottom that was found there, so essentially we should be expecting a retest of one of those regions should this demand zone fail to hold. The odds for a full-fledged SEC victory are slim, as Ripple Labs continues to register more winning streaks than anybody could have imagined. Although a very likely outcome, the probability of the SEC coming out victorious in this lawsuit is almost unlikely. Right now, the most probable course of action would be a settlement based on negligence and fair notice defense put forth by Ripple, during which the SEC would be mandated by the court to provide for clarity on regulating the asset class as we advance. Worst case scenario, Ripple gets fined, which would eventually see the US-based decacorn company relocating its headquarters to some other jurisdiction with clear-cut and less strict crypto regulations. So can the SEC win over Ripple Labs in this lawsuit? That might be a possible result, but I don't see that happening, as I don't think of it as such. XRP should absolutely rise above $2, nearing the $5 mark, should this lawsuit clear out before the end of 2022. However, keep in mind that these won't get there quickly, as there are bound to be ups and downs along the way. Even though sources close to the case, such as attorney Jeremy Hogan of Legal Briefs, have placed this lawsuit's close date at April 2022, the chances of a final verdict in 2022 still look slim to none to me. As such, XRP investors should hunker down for a multi-year ride to that lofty peak. But then again, patience is the best of all virtues for a serious investor, since unbreakable patience plus robust long-term growth equals wealth-building returns. Remember, the investment world translates into a vehicle for transmitting wealth from the impatient to the patient. For me, we'd stick to Credible Crypto's advice, as we don't mind holding on to our XRP tokens for as long as this legal drama plays out. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Also, make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And we'll see you next time.
Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.